I need your help with something.
What?
You've got to get me out of here. See if you can find anything useful in there.
Okay, okay.
I know why you're here, and I can help you.
You can help me?
Wait, can you even hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hello?
Hey. Oh, God, is he drunk?
I am so happy to see you in there, and I need your help with something.
It's like the homeless guy.
You've got to get me out of here.
Yeah, or he's in jail. It's funny. I did not see the Minecraft movie, but I recognize that guy. You don't need a car. Ooh. That's a giant boo. He needs a car. The heck? I did not see the movie, but... Huh. What the hell? Do like this, just like the box. Oh, is that the car from the cover? Oh, man. Goodness gracious. I might have to get this. Man, you're my age if you remember this show. The Headbangers Ball. Back when MTV actually had music. Well, it's got wooden wheels. From Back to the Future 3. Alright, Mario and Yoshi. Minecraft movie again. I did not see that movie. I know it was popular, yes, I know. That looks cool. Is that Stripe? Megan. Oh, scary movie. That movie's a trip. Oh, this one looks better. They used to just jam them on old He-Man figures. Oh, look at that. That looks cool. What's that costume that you had when you were a kid? Okay, when I was a kid. What? There a Jaws one? Yeah, this used to be a crummy shirt and plastic mask, but now you kind of wish you still had those. I do like this. It's cool. This was my favorite game when I was a kid. Awesome. Oh, you can take the little Tron and put them in there? Oh, whoa. That's cool.
I'm in volleyball now.
Lord of the Rings fugglers? What? So this must be the Joker, I guess? Aye, aye, aye. This guy just got traded to Green Bay. I don't know. This might be worth something. I'm not sure. Hmm.